Do you want to captivate people's attention? Use videos. But not all kinds of videos. I'm talking about using live streaming videos from YouTube. Presenting to you, YouTube Live. YouTube Live makes it possible to broadcast live, save it, and upload the video on a user's YouTube account. Anyone can use YouTube Live. All you need is a Google account. It's already available to billions of people on the planet, including you as well. There are so many benefits in using YouTube Live to build and grow your business very rapidly. And if you're not using it, then you're missing out big time. So that is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to use this powerful platform to grow your business to the next level. If this interests you, scroll down this page below to discover more about it and learn how I can help you get started fast.